I've always wanted black windows, but honestly, like replacing all your windows is a big decision. And so I really wanted something that had a little bit more visual interest and looked a little bit more custom than white windows, and just kind of added a little bit more depth. And so that's how ultimately I decided to go with black. I wanted something that also was going to be timeless and classic. And I really like, because we have the white trim too, how the black just stands out. And inside, you know, our house, like the style, everything was just so light and bright and white. So I really like the contrast that it provides and just the depth. Like the first night we had our windows, I was sitting upstairs and just reading a book, and I looked out the windows, and it was just, I could see like the sunset and the treetops, and the black framing around the window just kind of made it look like I was looking out, like it was like a picture, you know? It kind of looked like it was a picture frame. So I'm super happy. I have no regrets going from the white windows to black windows.